my special guest Galaxy.
Hey!
Ready to cook.
Yeah.
So today's video or show and ship is an egg and tomato sauce.
I hope it's gonna be yum because I'm a taste tester.
Yeah, it might be yum.
Okay.
See if it's egg
Yeah.
and see if it's tomato sauce.
Yeah.
Oh, I'm gonna need to get this.
Oh God.
Give me the egg. So it's simple. What we do is this. Grab it. So you just need to watch perfect. Like that, simple. Then we get tomato sauce. And squeeze.
Do we need a fork?
No, a fork. You can use a fork or a knife. I use the fork. Wonderful.
Amazing creations. I am quite.
There you go.
No, just put it back in the bowl. I can eat it from the bowl.
Okay.
Oh wow. That was delicious.
Alright, so now I just need to put the thing on.
Dancing cutscene.
So when it's... oh, it's done.
Is it done?
Yeah.
It smells delicious.
Sure does, doesn't it? 1 second.
Yep. That's gonna. Yeah, I'm just gonna.
So it's done. It's done. It's done.
It smells so good.
Smells good. Alright. You said you were tasting.
I already tasted it.
So I guess we're just gonna throw it out.
Yeah, let's go. Okay, we're here now.
I mean,
Let's go back. That was so disgusting. The camera person threw up.
just gonna have to wash this.
Whoa! That's all on Vinies cooking show. Bye. Is that right, Vinny?
Yeah.
I'm gonna need to go to the bathroom.
First of all, let's just thank Bob Barley.
Yeah, thanks, Bob Barley. You're the best, man.
Thanks, Bob Barley, for making that monstrosity of flavor.
Yeah. It's patting the back. Yeah.
Maker! I accept apology for that. Okay.
Okay.
Bye, good friend. Bye. See ya.
Bye, Bob Barley.
Bye.
I'm gonna need to go now. Bye.
Okay, see you, Galaxy.
Bye. Will you do the end credits for us?
Okay.
Alright, see ya.
So, that was the end of the video.